The hospital can be a difficult place for children of all ages. Unfamiliar faces, places, fear of the unknown, and separation from family members can all increase a child's anxiety and make it difficult to cope. Play is a natural way for children to work through fear and anxiety. Medical play is a therapeutic approach that uses real and pretend medical equipment to assist children in understanding not only the hospital itself, but also what is happening with their own bodies. It provides children a comfortable avenue to express their concerns and learn techniques for coping with stress. Although medical play is often facilitated by an adult, it should be child-led. Give the child as much control as possible. Allow them to choose which medical supplies are needed, name the patient, choose when to start and stop the activity, and so on. During medical play, anger or feelings of aggression may surface. Those feelings are a normal response and should be allowed and supported. There are many benefits of medical play. Children become more familiar with medical tools in a non-threatening environment. It helps prepare them for medical procedures by using the same items that the child will see during the procedure. They can learn the purpose of the different medical tools. It's also an area for them to be free and express how they feel about their medical experience. And lastly, it provides children with opportunities of control. Put Rachel in the hot seat again.
Here we
She's
go.
going to get an IV.
Okay, so sometimes you might come to the hospital and feel really sick.
Oh, yeah.
George is showing us how some of you might feel when you come to the hospital. And so if you're sick, then there's all sorts of new people that you're meeting and you might be really angry.
Mm-hmm.
And when the doctors tell you you have to have an IV, I bet you might be even more sad.
Yes.
Sad. But hopefully, because with an IV, you would hopefully be able to get numbing cream, just like the kids with the port have a numbing cream. So we would hope that there's already numbing cream on the arm and we can take it off.
Yep.
And then after that, we'll let George just
Here,
keep
let's
talking.
put George
Or
over here.
Put him aside.
Oh, he's nervous though. Ooh. Goodness, George. Okay, so what's this blue thing called? Because they all have that in their kit.
This is called the tourniquet. Do you guys want to get your tourniquet out and then put it as tight as you can on the arm? Or if you choose to do the leg or any other place, you can decide where you do your IV.
Mm-hmm.
So that feels really, really tight when
Yeah.
you put it on.
It's like a really tight hug, isn't it?
Yes. Sometimes a little uncomfortable. So the next thing is to clean the arm because we have to make sure all the germs are gone. So here we go. We have to clean, clean, clean. Keep on scrubbing. It feels like it takes forever. Okay. Do you want to do a little distraction? Because
Yes.
maybe sometimes it's scary to see the needle.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So maybe you could show a little, like a,
Yep. I
oh,
got
here's
it.
a book. Let's
Perfect.
show a book.
Perfect.
For sure.
Okay. So
So sometimes it's nice when the patient can see a book. So then they don't have to look at the nurses doing the IV.
we're just looking over.
Because
at
this is kind of a scary needle. So then
Mhm.
here's the nurse and she just does it really carefully and gently and then pushes the button to get the needle goes in this little tube.
Wait a second. I thought the needle was in there.
Nope, there's not a needle in there.
Really? Okay.
Yep, it's only a tube that goes in your arm to give your arm a drink. And it could give a drink of just the water stuff that they have, that's called saline.